Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am hiking at Erwin Park, which is located in North Mckinney, and it is a beautiful spring day here in Texas, and I'm gonna take y'all along this hike. So this is a park that is located in North Mckinney, and it has lots of trails that are great for hiking and riding your bike, cycling. That's the word I was trying to think of. But yeah, so this is my first time here. I've never been here before. Everything has bloomed, so you can see all the green everywhere, but it's a beautiful day, and let's get into it. So right now I am hiking the Erwin Park North Loop Trail. It's supposed to be about a 2.7 mile trail, and it's a beautiful sunny day. I really love when the sun is out. Like, I cannot live in a place where there's no sun. I would die, literally. So I really do enjoy when the sun is out. It just makes me a happier person. But yeah, so far so good. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and hope you get to go hiking and get outside sometime today. There are some people camping here. There's a pavilion right there, and then some people have set up their campsites right there by the pavilion. I am getting back on the trail, so let's check it out. a really pretty part of the trail. Love that there are a ton of trees here, so you definitely get some shade. That leaf fell and it kind of scared me, but yeah, so definitely lots of trees and lots of shade. It's a really nice trail. Definitely check it out if you're in this area. There are lots of bikers on these trails over here, so gotta watch out for them. But overall, this is a really nice park, very low-key, not too many people here on the trail at least, but love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my hiking adventures, and I will see y'all on the next hike. Happy hiking!